That is why that हाँ
I sent you the assignment.
हाँ I have the assignment. हाँ yeah Fatima, what?
I send you the assignment so that you can send the PDF to him.
अच्छा send the PDF time. अच्छा ठीक है, okay I will do that then. आप मोबाइल में हैं या लैपटॉप में हैं अहमद? लैपटॉप है ना, okay. So Fatima, can you send it to like everyone? अच्छा, you can't send it to everyone, sorry, my bad. Okay, so this is the assignment. Assalamu alaikum Sara, how are you? Sara, am I audible? Okay. Did you do the assignment, Sara?
Yes, sir.
So you have submitted it? Okay.
Yes.
Any problem in that assignment?
No.
No, you are saying. आपकी आवाज बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें noise आ रहा है, I don't know why. Okay. Yes, Sara, you have submitted. Okay. Now write the topic. Equilibrium constant from Nernst equation.
So we did that.
ये कर लिया हम लोगों ने? अच्छा, तो इस पे सवाल करना था ना, equilibrium constant. Okay, fine. Write a question then. Write a question. For a Daniel cell. Daniel cell is the copper zinc couple. Okay, for the Daniel cell, E0 cell is equal to 1.1 volt. E0 cell is equal to 1.1 volt. Okay. Calculate the Kc for following reaction. Okay, so you will get this type of question. It's very easy question. Okay, please see here how we are going to do. Don't write anything right now. Okay, just listen. Ahmed Faiz, you again have maths class?
Sir, no, sir, not today.
Not today. अच्छा.
No, sir.
You are in IA. आप ISD में हैं क्या?
No, sir, ICSD.
Okay. So in by the way, आपके मैथ्स टीचर ने अभी छुट्टी दी हुई है इस हफ्ते के लिए.
Sir, this month, July, I don't have.
You July हो, you don't have math class. अरे मुबारक हो. अच्छा, आप समझ में आया वो 3 क्लासेस क्यों ले रहे थे? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. For Danielson, E naught cell is equal to this much. Calculate the Kc for the following reaction. So what you are going to do, first of all, you will write the Nernst equation. You see that you have been given E naught cell and there is what Kc. So what you are going to do, you are going to write the Nernst equation. You write Nernst equation will be what? E naught cell, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0. At 25 degrees Celsius पे लिख दीजिए 0.059 divided by n into log of the product is then 2 positive. याद है कॉपर नहीं लेते हम लोग, yes or no, please tell me. You guys remember? You guys remember this, yes or no, please tell me. Oh, what happened? जो solids होते हैं उनको नहीं लिया जाता ना, we take that as 1. Okay. After this, you write at equilibrium. What happens at equilibrium? Last time बहुत हमने बताया था. What happens at equilibrium? हाँ फातिमा, what happens at equilibrium?
Nothing happens.
Nothing happens at equilibrium. That means our cell will not work. So E cell will be equal to how much? E cell will be equal to 0. And this will be, this log Q will be equal to log of Kc, or rather you can write Q is equal to Kc. And product upon reactant, that is quotient. The reactant quotient, we say it will be equal to what? Kc. And hence you will write
So what is Q?
reaction quotient. Last time कराया था देखिए. See, this is Q na?
Yeah, okay.
At any particular time, at any time it is Q, but at equilibrium it becomes what? It becomes K. Okay. So now it will be what? E naught cell. ठीक है, E naught cell को हम यहाँ रखा है, इसको इधर ले आए. E naught cell will be positive and this will also become positive. It will be equal to 0.059 divided by. अच्छा अब बताइए n कितना है यहाँ पे? हमने एक ट्रिक बताया था आप लोगों को. If you have any, बताइए. यहाँ पे चार्ज्ड और न्यूट्रल का कपल है. So what will be the number of electrons in this reaction? 2 electrons, है ना? 2 electrons into log of Kc. So now what I will write, E naught is equal to 1.1. So log Kc is equal to 1.1 into, this will be what, 0.03 I can write, yes or no? Correct. कितना हो जाएगा? Write the answer. Log Kc will be equal to how much? कुछ उल्टा लिख दिया क्या हमने?
So what is 1.1 like this?
E naught cell. देखिए. क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है ना वो तो. 1.1 volt will be equal to 0.05. Yeah, I wrote something that log Kc. So I can write log Kc is equal to नहीं divide होगा 1.1 volts divided by 0.03 and this will be cancelling into 0.03. So calculate this. Tell me what is the value of log K. How much you are getting? 1.1 upon 0.03. It's like this: 1, 1, 0 divided by 3. I have multiplied on both the sides 100. Okay. $36.66. Okay. six तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? 36.7. So the log will be equal to what? ऐसे, right? अच्छा, anti-log, tell me, you guys, please. Did you guys see the notes for anti-log? Yes or no? Tell me. I shared with you some. Anti-log नहीं था आखिरी में. It wasn't there.
Where you sent the video, it wasn't there.
So it wasn't there in that. Okay. ठीक है. So see, K will be equal to what? 10 to the power 36.7. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. ठीक है. इतना लिख दीजिए आप. इतना आपके लिए काफी रहेगा. Okay. If you write this much also, it will be fine. लिख लिया आप लोगों ने? Yes or no? Tell me. Done. All of you, yes or no? Writing. अरे हाँ यार. Okay. अरे हाँ ना, कुछ तो बोलिए. फातिमा अहमद still writing. पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है इनको. Done. Okay, fine. So this is how you're going to calculate the equilibrium constant when you have been given the E naught of cell. Okay. All right. Relation between E cell and Gibbs free energy. Okay. So see, delta G, that is your Gibbs free energy, it is equal to the negative of the number of electrons that you are having into Faraday's constant into whatever volt of potential you are getting, E cell. This is what this is, delta G. So please write here. Electrical work done in 1 second electrical work done in 1 second is equal to electrical potential multiplied by total charge. Okay, electrical potential multiplied by the total charge. Total charge is what? It is, this is your electrical potential into total charges, number of electrons into S. Okay, and it is going to be what? It is going to be what we have seen the sign negative, because we are doing work, electrical work done. So when what we are doing, when the cell it is doing work, that means it is going to release energy. That is why there is a negative sign. Okay, so this is delta G. And when we have delta G naught, it is equal to minus of NF E naught cell. Right, stuff. ये आप लोगों ने फिजिक्स में पढ़ा होगा ना, that what is work done electrical sense में, the total energy that is consumed to move a charge from a potential difference. Yes or no? Have heard this type of terminology in physics या नहीं? Fatima, Sara, Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Right, so that is the same thing here. Okay, so जो भी energy यहाँ पे consume हो रहा है, that is the work done ना, so to electric potential multiplied by the total charge. Can I move on? Yes or no, please tell me. Okay. Right, remarks. Number 1. See, the work done by galvanic cell is what? It is equal to the decrease in Gibbs free energy. Work done by galvanic cell is equal to the decrease in Gibbs free energy. Is equal to Gibbs free energy. Okay, and if you look at the relationship between these two, then what you can say? Delta G naught, it is equal to minus RT ln K. Delta G is equal to minus RT ln K. So now what you can see, you can say that if you have E naught cell and the reaction, so you can also calculate the K here. So from E naught cell, you will calculate the delta G naught, and from delta G naught, you can calculate the equilibrium constant. Okay, please remember this formula also. Delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln K. Now what is F? F is the Faraday's constant. Faraday's constant is what? It is equal to the charge in 1 mole of electron. Charge in 1 mole of electron, which is equal to 96500 coulombs. This is your Faraday's constant. So whenever we write some type of reaction that copper 2 plus zinc is giving you zinc 2 plus copper, then when we say that there is the transfer of 2 electrons, what does it mean? It means that there are 2 moles of electron which are getting used in each reaction instant. Okay, so that is why we have the charge in terms of 1 mole of electron. So N will be the number of electron used, F will be the charge of 1 mole of electron multiplied by the potential, and you will be getting the work done, that is delta G naught. Okay, देखिए बहुत आसान से सवाल रहते हैं इसमें. Write this down. Let me know when you're done.
Sir, done, sir.
Done. Okay. See. Mostly you will be getting questions from Daniel cell only. Okay. Please write for a Daniel cell. E naught cell is equal to 1.1 volts, right? E naught cell is equal to 1.1 volt. Then calculate delta G naught for the cell, or they can also write for the reaction, and they will show you the reaction, right? But for Daniel cell, we know that Daniel cell is the copper zinc couple, right? Copper zinc couple. So we'll write the solution as delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught of cell. Okay. Now here what do we have? We have N is equal to 2 because it is what? Zinc and copper couple, and F is equal to how much? 96500. And E naught cell is equal to how much? See, everything is given. It is equal to what? It is equal to 1.1 volts. So this whole thing will be equal to minus of, ये minus हम please मत भूलिएगा, 2 into 96500 into 1.1. Okay, and whatever you get the answer, this was asked for 2 marks. जहां पे भी आपके पास टर्मिनोलॉजी ज्यादा आ जाएंगे, वहां पे बहुत ही सिंपल सवाल आएगा. Okay, please remember this. It has been asked 2 times in CBSE. एक बार 12 में और एक बार 13 में सेम सवाल. Okay, same question as it is. So please remember this formula. इसको ऐसा मत घबरा के मत भूल जाइएगा. NF E naught cell. Calculate this. कितना आ जाएगा इसका आंसर? Then all of you, yes or no, please tell me. कैलकुलेट किया आप लोगों ने? फातिमा, सारा, एनीवन? नहीं. Yes, Sarah, correct. Waiting for Fatima and Ahmed. Ahmed and Fat. Okay. Ahmed नेगेटिव साइन फिर भूल गए आप. जो चीज बोला ख्याल रखनी वो भूल गए.
Oh, sir, I wrote it like that in the notebook, but I forgot what type.
अच्छा अच्छा. ओके. फातिमा, वेटिंग फॉर यू. फातिमा, सेंड द आंसर. ओ माय गॉड, ये इतना ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग क्यों लिखा है आपने? हाँ, just if you had multiplied it simply, then you would have got the answer. It will be minus 212,300. Okay, and please remember the units. Okay, please remember the units. यहाँ पे whatever answer you are getting from the formula delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. E naught cell will be always in what? It will be always in volts. Your F will be always in coulombs, and the delta G naught that you will be getting, it will be in joules per mole. Okay, please remember joules per mole. Okay, joules per mole. So you can write this as minus 212.3 kilojoule per mole also. ठीक है, चलिए. Now we will do a few more questions इसी तरह के. ठीक है. This formula, write another question. Calculate the delta G naught and log Kc for the following reaction. The reaction that they have given is cadmium 2 plus. इस सवाल मेरे साथ साथ लिख लीजिए आप. ठीक है. We have the reaction cadmium 2 plus zinc is giving me cadmium plus zinc 2 positive. Okay, cadmium plus zinc 2 positive has been given. What is given? Given is E naught of cadmium 2 plus to cadmium. It is equal to minus 0.403, and E naught of zinc 2 plus to zinc is equal to what? It is equal to minus 0.76. 3 है शायद इसके आखिरी में, 3 digits. E naught Zn 2 plus to Zn is minus 0.763. Okay, these are the things given. And you have to calculate. How will you calculate? See, delta G naught Kc, these things are there, E naught is there. Then Nernst equation you will first of all do delta G naught and what's the relationship between your log Kc and your what? E naught cell, or you can do otherwise also like this. ऐसे start कीजिए आप लोग. Delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught of cell. याद है E naught cell क्या होता है? E naught cell is E naught of whatever is getting oxidized plus the E naught reduction of whatever is getting reduced. Tell me what is getting oxidized here? What is getting oxidized? Zinc is getting oxidized. ठीक है, तो देखिए ध्यान से देखिएगा. What I will write? E naught क्या लिखे हम? Zinc 2 plus से zinc, या हम ये लिखे? Please don't write all of you. Listen here. Zinc to zinc 2 plus. 1 or 2, which one is right? Oxidation कहाँ पे हो रहा है बताइए? अहमद, सारा, फातिमा.
2.
यस, अहमद आपको नहीं आया 1 या 2 में? दोनों सेम लग
Sir, 2.
2 ना? Why 2? Why 2?
Because second में oxidation हो रहा है.
हाँ, see Zn 2 plus zinc क्या हो रहा है? रिडक्शन हो जा रहा है. Zinc से 2 plus, this is going to be oxidation. ठीक है, oxidation. So we'll clear this up and put this 2 here. Now you tell me, is this value given? Yes or no? Ahmed, tell me what is the value?
Sir, 0.763.
Positive में, negative में?
Sir, it will become positive.
Very good, very good. So now E naught reduction में क्या same आ जाएगा? That is cadmium 2 plus to cadmium. This will be equal to 0.763 plus E naught cadmium to cadmium 2 plus, as it is I will write, and this will be equal to minus 0.403. So we'll calculate the E naught cell and then send me in chat. Okay, Sarah, I think that is correct. Fatima, correct. Waiting for Ahmed. Very good. So E naught cell is equal to 0.36 volts. Now what we will do? Substitute the value. अब बताइए डेल्टा जी नॉट बताइए कितना आ जाएगा कैलकुलेट करके. How many electrons are getting used? How many electrons? Tell me guys, how many electrons? 2. So minus 2 into what should I write? What is the value of F? What is the value of F?
96500.
Very good. 96500 into what is E naught cell? 0.36. And whatever value you are going to get, this will be in joules per mole. Calculate this and you will be getting delta G naught. Yes, Sarah, very good. Waiting for Fatima and Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed, very good. Just waiting for you, Fatima, now. वेरी गुड. चलिए आज आप लोग बहुत सही जवाब दे रहे हैं. फॉर्म है बिल्कुल, फॉर्म तोड़िएगा मत. माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह बोल देते हैं हम, है ना. तो डेल्टा जी नॉट विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस 69480 ना.
जूल per mole.
जूल पर मोल. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्या कैलकुलेट, डेल्टा जी नॉट हो गया. अब क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? लॉग केसी. वी हैव ई नॉट सेल, सो वी नो द फॉर्मूला. क्या है? ई नॉट सेल इज इक्वल टू 0.059 डिवाइड बाई एन लॉग केसी. कर लीजिएगा, मदद की जरूरत है. डू यू गाइस नीड हेल्प? नो ना. You have the value of E naught cell 0.36. You have the value of n, है ना. कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. Sarah has got one answer. वो I think that you are telling that is the value of Kc, है ना सारा?
Yes.
है ना. हाँ ठीक. तो log Kc हो जाएगा आपके पास 12 point something you will get, right? or 12 only? Done everyone? Yes or no? See, Fatima Ahmed Faz. Okay, Fatima waiting for you.
So I'm not getting the answer.
You're not getting the answer at all. कुछ और आ रहा है आपका. देखिए. चलिए बताइए. What is E naught cell? Fatima.
0.36.
0.36 is equal to 0.06 कर देते हैं इसको. Divide by 3 log Kc. ठीक है. So this will be equal to 0. नहीं sorry 3 नहीं होगा, वहां पे 2 होगा. My bad. This is 2. Kc. ये हो जाएगा आपके पास 0.03. So now log Kc will be equal to क्या हो जाएगा बताइए. Log Kc will be equal to 0.36 into 0.03 या divide by 0.03.
Divided by 0.03.
03. This will be equal to what? I will multiply 100. So this will be what? 36 and this will be what? 3. है ना? कितना जाएगा? 36 divided by 3 is equal to how much? 36 divided by 3 is equal to
12.
फातिमा से पूछ रहा. फातिमा,
Well,
आ गया आंसर?
yes, sir.
बताइए. ना आपको इसमें क्या करना है? Neither you have any complicated calculation nor you have any complicated formula here, है ना? And this question has been asked previously for 3 marks. ना आसान सा क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. So whenever you get delta G naught and log Kc, तो एक तो बिल्कुल खुश हो जाइए कि कैलकुलेशन वगैरह सब कुछ आसान होने वाला है. You don't have to do anything. Okay. ना ही आपको इसमें यूनिट्स देखने हैं, ना ही आपको इसमें रिएक्शन लिखना है कि पावर कितना आ रहा है. फिर you have seen Nernst equation how messed up it can get, right? If you have some stoichiometric coefficient in the reactant, वो आपके कंसंट्रेशन के पावर में जाना चाहिए. तो छोटी छोटी गलतियां वहां होने के बहुत चांसेस है. ओके, बट डेल्टा जी नॉट जो है और केसी, यहाँ पे गलती होने के चांसेस बहुत कम रहते हैं. So everyone is done? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will do one different type of question. Okay. Please write. A copper silver cell. That means we have a couple of copper and silver. Okay, copper silver cell. A copper silver cell is set up. The concentration of copper ion is 0.10 molar. 0.10 molar. The concentration of silver ion is unknown. Okay, silver ion is unknown. The cell potential was determined to be. The cell potential was determined to be. The cell potential was determined to be. Determined to be 0.422 volts. Okay, they're saying determine the concentration of silver ions. Okay, given is E naught of Ag plus 2 Ag will be equal to 0.80. E naught of Cu2 plus 2 Cu will be equal to how much? 0.34 volts. Can you write this question? ये भी सवाल आपका 3 मार्क्स का। अब इस सवाल को देखिएगा और उसके बाद जो प्रीवियस वाला सवाल डेल्टा जी नॉट वाला उसको कंपेयर कीजिएगा। दिस हैज आल्सो बीन आस्क्ड फॉर 3 मार्क्स। Okay. Done copying this question? Yes or no? Please tell me. Ahmed,
Yes, sir.
Sara. Okay. See, at a first glance only, you will understand that this is the question of what? Nernst equation. Yes or no? Nernst equation correct है? See, देखिए ध्यान से देखिए. I will write the Nernst equation. I will tell you how you should approach this problem in the examination hall. देखिए Nernst equation आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए. क्या दिमाग में आएगा आपकी? You will be getting something like this. E naught cell. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by whatever the N is log the concentration of reactant divided by the concentration of product. They are saying that they have given us for copper concentration is given, Ag is not given. यानी कि either the reactant or the product कुछ एक तो दिया होगा यहाँ पे. Then N I will calculate by doing the reaction. Then I will have to determine the E naught cell. I will determine the E naught cell using these values. Okay. And then what I will do, I have to just calculate one thing. E naught E cell is already given as 0.422. So देखिए आपको क्या क्या चीज दिया हुआ है. You have been given E cell. You have been let us say given concentration of either reactant or product. Let us say आपको reactant का दिया हुआ है. Okay. You have been given the यहाँ पे हमने उल्टा लिखा ना. Sorry. So product upon reactant. और यहाँ पे let us say that you have been given the concentration. Copper जो है आपका अभी मान लेते हैं. अभी हम लोग को देखना क्या होगा. उसके बाद what you can do from the reaction, what you can have the N and you can also calculate the E naught cell. Okay, and then you have to calculate the big thing, that is the concentration of the product. See, so the blue ones are those that has been completely given. ऐसे आपका हाथ में दिया हुआ है. N आपको डिटरमाइन करना पड़ेगा. E naught cell आपको डिटरमाइन करना पड़ेगा. Yes or no? दिख रहा है? And then at last what you have to determine? You have to determine the P. चलिए तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. First of all, we will start with the E naught cell. E naught cell के लिए हम लोग क्या चाहिए? First of all, we will make the cell. So how we make the cell? A, B, C. Anode, cathode, and anode, bridge, and cathode. So what will be in anode? Tell me. बताइए. अच्छा ये बताइए कैथोड में कौन सा होगा? जो दोनों में क्या दिया हुआ है? रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल दिया हुआ है. Now you tell me which is very happy to get reduced, Ag या CO? कौन खुशी खुशी हो रहा है?
Sir, Cu will be reduction.
नहीं इसमें ये बताइए ना. E naught दोनों का दिया हुआ है, Ag प्लस का दिया हुआ है, copper 2 प्लस का दिया हुआ है. Looking at the values, you have to tell me which is happy to get reduced, which is giving you more energy, which is giving you more electricity.
Ag.
If it is तो फिर Ag करेंगे ना. ठीक है, ऐसे फीलिंग्स पे नहीं जाने का है. ओके फातिमा.
No, I said Cu will be reduction.
हाँ तो
Cathode. Because it is less.
नहीं. Which is getting reduced खुशी खुशी? Tell me. Which is getting reduced happily? Copper या Ag?
Ag.
तो Ag will be in cathode ना. Reduction happens in cathode.
Yeah.
नहीं है ना फातिमा?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, so what you will ask? You will ask who is getting reduced happily. So you will see that Ag is giving me much electricity. When it is getting reduced, I will put Ag in the cathode. I will write Ag plus and Ag. There is a bridge. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? You will be having copper to copper 2 plus. Now I will write the reaction. I will write the reaction like this. Anode. ये कितनी मेहनत है इसमें? Copper gives copper 2 plus 2 electron. अब यहाँ पे आपको क्या है कैथोड में? You have Ag plus 1 electron is going to give you Ag. Then you have to see here the electrons are different. Then you will multiply 2 here. So you'll get 2 and 2 and 2. And then you will write the complete reaction. It is copper plus 2 Ag plus 2 electrons, so 2 electron cancel. And then you are going to get copper 2 plus 2 Ag. Right? So this is the chemical reaction we have got. And now what we'll write? The E naught cell. So E naught cell will be equal to the E naught of copper to copper 2 plus the E naught of, देखिए यहाँ पे जो हो रहा है उसका E naught और यहाँ पे जो हो रहा है उसका E naught, right? So E naught of Ag plus 2 Ag. So what is E naught of copper to copper 2 plus, tell me guys. इसकी वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा? Copper to copper 2 plus will be
minus 0.34.
very good. This will be minus 0.34. Now E naught Ag plus 2 Ag will be how much? सारा के अलावा अहमद या फातिमा बताइए. What will be E naught Ag plus 2 Ag? Look at the question. You have written the question now, all of you. Fatima, Ahmed, Sara.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बताइए. So E naught Ag plus 2 Ag क्या हो जाएगा? What will be this value?
Sir, 0.80.
0.80. Very good. चलिए अब ये बताइए E naught सेल कितना आ रहा है आपको? This will be what? 0.80 minus 0.34, which will be equal to
0.46.
वेरी 0.46 volts. ठीक है. दूसरी चीज हम लोग ये कर लेते हैं, नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. n is equal to how much? 2. Very good. ठीक है. So 2 electrons. Yeah, we have gotten everything. We have got E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059, 0.06 ही लेके चलते हैं इसको, है ना, डिवाइड बाई 2 log of what is the product? Copper 2 plus, right? What is the reactant? Ag plus squared. ठीक है, Ag plus squared. Now you will plug in the values. E cell आपको कितना दिया हुआ है? 0.422 minus what is the E naught cell? It will be equal to what? E naught cell. E naught cell is 0.46 minus this value is 0.06 divided by 2 log of concentration of copper is given as 0.10. Okay, given as 0.10. And this you have to find. So you will write x square. Ag plus का आपको find करना है, so you will write x square. You have to find for x. Okay. चलिए, all of you please write till here. लिख ही लिया होगा आप लोगों ने, रुकते कहाँ हैं आप लोग? देखिए यहाँ कितना बड़ा सवाल हो जाता है ये वाला. नस्ट इक्वेशन दुआ कीजिए ना ही आए तो अच्छा है. गलती बहुत जगह हो सकती है, यहाँ पे आपको चूज करने में गलती हो सकती है ए और बी के, है ना. ध्यान रखिए, ध्यान रखिएगा तो नहीं होगा. इफ यू आस्क योरसेल्फ द राइट क्वेश्चन देन इट विल नॉट हैपन. लेकिन फीलिंग पे जाके अगर आप सॉल्व करने लगे तो बहुत गलती हो जाएगी इसमें. लिख लिया? Yes or no, tell me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So see, how will you solve this? You will इसको यहाँ ले जाइए, इसको यहाँ ले आइए, ठीक है. So you will get 0.03 log of 0.1 upon x square is equal to 0.46 minus 0.422, right? कितना जाएगा ये? What will be this equal to? 460 60 minus 22, 60 minus 22, 38, 0.038. देखिए तो
Yes, sir.
how much? 0.038.
Yes, sir.
0.038 and here you have 0. अब ये देखिए, ये 0.03 को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यहाँ ले आ सकते हैं. तो you can write this as log 0.1 upon x square divided by 0.03. अब this will be what, multiply by 1000, so this will be equal to 38 divided by 30. 38 divided by 30. ये कैलकुलेट कीजिए कितना आ रहा है, फिर बताएंगे इसको कैसे सॉल्व कीजिएगा. वन पॉइंट टू सिक्स आ रहा है. अहमद एंड फातिमा, all of you are getting 1.26? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
ठीक है. अब देखिए यहाँ पे आपको log की एक प्रॉपर्टी होती है, log a upon b is equal to log a minus log b, राइट? अब इसको कैसे लिख लीजिएगा, अब इसको लिखिए कैसे, log 0.1 minus log of x square is equal to 1.26. अब log x square will be equal to how much? log x square will be equal to, देखिए log square को इधर भेज दीजिए, 1.26 को इधर, so it will be equal to log of 0.1 minus 1.26. So log of 0.1 will be equal to how much?
So the concentration of Cu is 0.01 or 0.1?
0.1 है ना, देखिए 0.10, 0.1 ही हुआ है ना. Okay. So this is what 0.1 can be written as 10 to the power minus 1 minus 1.26. Now this will be equal to minus 1 log of 10 minus 1.26. ये आपके यहाँ पे कितना आ जा रहा है, log 10 will be equal to how much? 1. So this is minus 1, so it will be 2.26 negative में log x square. एक काम करते हैं, इसको ऐसे नहीं करते, वेट अ सेकंड, इसको ऐसे नहीं करके let us write it like this. 0.1 upon x square is equal to 10 to the power 1.26. 10 to the power 1.26. Okay. Now x square will be equal to, ठीक है वो नीचे आ जाएगा, उसके बाद ले लेंगे नीचे 10 to the power 1.26. अब इसको तो सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, right? You have to solve this now. How are we going to solve this? Now we are going to use anti-log method. See here, okay? First thing that you are going to do, ये जो 1.26 है, you have to write this 1.26. This is 1.26. 1.26 का आप ऐसे लिख दीजिए 10 to the power 1 plus 0.26. यह आ जाएगा आपका 10 to the power 1 plus 10 to the power 0.26. Correct? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अब देखिए, you have the log values. Log 2 is equal to 0.3. Log 0.4, sorry, log 3 is equal to 0.48. है ना? तो देखिए log 10 की पावर 0.3 क्या दे रहा है आपको? 2 दे रहा है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this will be what? Wait a second. यहाँ multiply होगा, sorry. Ten to the power 1 into 10 to the power 0.26 उसको अप्रोक्सीमेट कर लीजिए 0.23 में, और यहाँ पर कितना आ जाएगा वैल्यू, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू 2। अहमद फयाज एंड फातिमा, आप लोग ये पहली बार देख रहे हैं, ये स्टेप समझ में आया है? ये क्या है?
Yes, sir.
ये समझ में आया है ना? ठीक है, अब उसके बाद
Yes.
what you have to do, 10 to the power 1 plus 0.26 था, then you wrote it as 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power 0.26, ठीक है?
Yes.
And then you don't have you don't know what is 10 to the power 0.26, but you know that 10 to the power 0.3 is equal to 2. You know this? Yes or no?
Yeah.
हाँ, जो जितना पता है उतना आपने इस्तेमाल कर लिया। 0.3 is equal to 2, यहाँ पे आपने 2 लिख दिया, 2 into 10 to the power minus 1, तो sorry 10 to the power 1, यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, this will be 2 into 10 to the power 1 is equal to 10, this is 0.1 upon x square, और x square will be equal to 0.1 upon 20. So what will be this answer, tell me? वन अपॉन 20 is called x square. x का कंसिडरेशन कितना हो जाएगा, रूट ऑफ 1 अपॉन 20.
So
Sir,
how?
how we got 1 by 20? Sir, it should be 10 by 2000, right?
10 by 2000, 200
Yes.
होगा ना?
Sir, we multiplied 0.1
हाँ
into
sorry
100.
हाँ sorry, हाँ तो ये 1 अपॉन 200 हो जाएगा, सॉरी. So pure x square and x will be equal to
So how did 0.1 by x square become 20?
x स्क्वायर इधर चला गया, 20 नीचे आ गया इसके. गॉट इट? हाँ
No.
नहीं, अरे you can send x square here ना,
Yeah.
that side, and 20 when it will come in the left hand side, it will be in the denominator, right?
Yeah.
Got it?
No, but from where 20 came?
क्या क्या क्या?
20. Where did 20 come from?
ओ ये था ना 1 10 to the power 1.26 था, तो इसको हमने सॉल्व किया था ना, 10 to the power 1 into 2 आया था, so this is equal to 20.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Got it? Done everyone?
So can you scroll up 1 minute?
स्क्रॉल करें, बताइए.
Sir, no, a little bit down. Yeah.
Done? Done or not?
Yeah. Yes, I'm done.
Okay. Okay. So now I write the topic electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. What is electrochemical series? Please write. If the values of different electrodes, if the values of different electrodes are arranged in a series of increasing or decreasing also, increasing or decreasing order, then the series is called electrochemical. Then the series is called electrochemical series. Okay, now write some remarks about the series. First thing is the electrode potential. It is what? It is standard reduction potential. Okay, so in electrochemical series, we use standard reduction potential. We use standard reduction potential. Second point, when the SRP is going to decrease, then what will happen? Reduction potential is what is going to happen to reduction potential. Reduction potential is what? It is decreasing. That means reducing power is decreasing. And it means oxidizing power increasing. Okay. This ability to reduce something else, to reduce other. And this is oxidizing power is ability to oxidize others. ठीक है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बच्चों को तकलीफ होती है. प्लीज राइट दिस डाउन, देन आई विल टेल यू. कंफ्यूजिंग लग रहा होगा, हम जान रहे हैं. एसआरपी डिक्रीज कर रहा है तो रिड्यूसिंग पावर तो सर इंक्रीज करना चाहिए ना, डिक्रीज क्यों कर रहा है? All of you wrote this, yes or no? Please tell me.
Done, sir.
Done. Now see, reducing power means what is the ability of a particular molecule of a particular metal to reduce something else. ठीक है? अच्छा एक बात बताइए, if the SRP is decreasing, then will that atom or will that metal want to get reduced happily or it will not get reduced happily? Tell me. If the SRP is decreasing, will it reduce easily or not easily? इसको अभी छोड़ दीजिए, आप इसको छोड़ दीजिए. हम लोगों ने अभी तक क्या पढ़ा है? SRP, when it is low, that means it doesn't want to get reduced. Yes or no?
Yes.
Does not want to get reduced. ठीक है? So what is happening? It does not want to. Tell me.
Get reduced.
It does not want to get reduced. ठीक है? It does not want to get reduced. Okay. And what is going to happen? अरे sorry, हमने यहाँ पे एक चीज उल्टा कर दिया. Reducing power will be increasing and this will be decreasing. अच्छा, जो चीज reduce नहीं होना चाहती है, what will happen to this? Then the metal will oxidized. Correct है? Metal will get oxidized, yes or no? If it is not
Yes,
getting
sir.
reduced, then it is getting oxidized. Now, if a metal is getting oxidized, that means metal will lose electron. Correct है? Metal will lose electron.
Sir.
Now, as this is losing electron, there will be counter metal. जो दूसरा metal होगा वहां पे, the counter ion. It will gain electron. Yes or no? For example, if you have zinc plus copper 2 positive, we get zinc 2 positive and copper. Here what happens? Here the zinc is what? It is losing electron and it is giving the electron to copper. Yes or no? The metal is losing and the counter ion is gaining electron. दिख रहा सबको? Yes or no? Please tell me. Fatima, Sarah, Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What
Yes,
about
sir.
Fatima? Fatima, are you
Yes,
with me?
sir. Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा, अब ये बात बताइए. This copper is getting what? Copper is getting reduced by zinc. Yes or no? Zinc नहीं होता तो copper reduce होता? If
No.
zinc was not, no, है ना? That means whose reducing power is high? Zinc has the ability to reduce others. Okay, zinc has the ability to what? It has the ability to reduce others. That means zinc has a very high reducing power. It is a very good reducing agent. That is why the SRP of zinc will be lower and its reducing power will be higher. Got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Relation दोनों में? नहीं आया, किसी को नहीं आया. आया लेकिन विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. Yes, Sarah, Aisha, Ahmed. Oh no, Fatima is here. Fatima,
Yeah.
you understood it? लेकिन
Not completely.
हाँ, लेकिन आपको बस विश्वास होने में टाइम लग रहा है. हम फिर से समझा देंगे. Things are very simple. Things are very simple. Can you tell me what is the SRP of zinc? ऊपर से देख के. Tell me.
Plus
2 plus. अरे SRP, standard reduction potential. ये बताइए zinc 2 plus to zinc. What is the value? E naught of zinc reduction potential.
Minus 0.763.
Minus 0.763. ठीक है, 76 लेके चलते हैं. SRP of copper is how much? 0.34. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, रिएक्शन
You're
कैसे होता है?
just taking this as an example, right?
No, ये correct, these are correct values.
Okay.
Okay, these are correct, example नहीं ले रहे हम, correct values हैं. And what is the reaction happen? Zinc plus copper 2 plus gives you zinc 2 plus copper. Okay, so zinc is what it is getting oxidized, है ना? And zinc is responsible for reducing copper. Yes or no?
Yes.
ठीक है, अब बताइए इन दोनों में किसकी एसआरपी कम है? whose reduction potential is lower, zinc और copper? whose, tell me, देख के तो बताइए, whose reduction potential is lower, zinc और copper? फातिमा, सारा, फैज, अहमद, फाइज, what happened?
कॉपर से
अरे जिंक का कितना है रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल?
-0.76
एंड कॉपर का कितना रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल?
0.34
तो किसका कम है?
सर जिंक
जिंक का कम है, राइट? सो व्हाट इज देयर, you have zinc's reduction potential is lower, and what you can see, zinc is getting oxidized and it is reducing copper. दोनों चीज कर रहा है ना? So see, reducing power, that means what is the ability of it to reduce something else, है ना? See, I have written ability to reduce others. तो किसका reducing power ज्यादा है? बताइए यहाँ पे. Who has the ability to reduce something else? Who has the
Zinc.
ability to? Zinc has. ठीक है, अब आ गया फातिमा?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us do one question. Just say it will be a bit more clear. Write this question. All of these are what? Look and tell. Are these reduction potential, oxidation potential? क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे? Tell me. So standard electrode potential, they will always be reduction potential only. Okay.
Sir, I'm done.
You wrote the question.
Yes,
कर
sir.
भी लीजिए अब ना. What it is asking? What is the question asking? Tell me.
Arrange this in the increasing order of standard electrode potential.
अरे पढ़ भी गलत रही हैं आप, ऐसे कैसे चलेगा
Of
काम?
reducing power.
हाँ, फिर से पढ़िए.
Arrange
फिर से
these
पढ़िए.
metals in the increasing order of reducing power.
ठीक है, अगर आपको reducing power high चाहिए, what do you want? You want the reducing power to be high. तो SRP कैसा होना चाहिए? लो या हाई? बताइए.
Low होना चाहिए.
लो होना चाहिए. अरेंज कर लीजिएगा आप. Yes or no? फातिमा, सारा, अहमद?
Yes, sir.
यस। फातिमा, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा आपको? हाँ
I'll try.
हाँ, नहीं नहीं, हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल हो जाएगा। अरेंज करने में क्या है, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, ये सब कितने बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, है ना? चलिए, फातिमा हैज सेंड। ओके, ओके, वेरी गुड। So top to bottom, what is happening? Reducing power is increasing or decreasing?
Reducing power is decreasing, increasing.
Increasing, है ना? लेकिन आखिरी में आपने थोड़ा गलती कर दिया शायद, देखिए। Hg पहले आएगा ना, उसके बाद Ag आएगा, राइट?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. What about Ahmed? अहमद इज, अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, करेक्ट। ठीक है, आ गया आप लोगों को तो इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री। सो द फर्स्ट विल बी, सो इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ना, इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में सबसे लोएस्ट, सबसे हाईएस्ट इसका है यहाँ पे। विल फाइंड हाईएस्ट इज Ag, राइट? Ag followed by Hg, followed by Cr, followed by Mg, and followed by K. That is it. बात समझ में आ गई? Yes or no, please tell me. All of you got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. ठीक है, now this is the first application of what? This is the first application of electrochemical series. अब क्या करेंगे? We will write the electrochemical series and then write the further more applications. Please write. सुनिएगा पहले, ठीक है? पहले सुनिएगा। How I am writing. How I am writing. First you will listen. लेके बारात, लेके बारात, काना मजे से आया, काना मजे से आया। ओके, यहां तक एक पूरा सेंटेंस है। ओके, कैसे याद करना है इसको? All of you are comfortable with Hindi? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
लेकिन हम ऐसे लिखेंगे तो नहीं अच्छा लगेगा आप लोगों को शायद, राइट? ये समझ में आता है?
Yeah.
ओके.
Yes.
लेके बारात काना. You know what is the meaning of काना?
No.
काना means सारा बताइए मतलब क्या था काना का?
I don't know.
You don't know. काना मतलब नहीं पता आपको?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
काना मजे से आया. Have you not heard काना दज्जाल? हाँ सारा, फातिमा, अहमद, anyone? No.
No.
No. Kana means if someone has one eye which is क्या बोले हम, not working ना, so they are called kana. काना मजे से आया. लेके बारात. You know what is बारात?
Yeah.
हाँ, okay. Next is लेके बारात काना मजे से आया. Next line you will remember it like this. मंजन कर फेंक दे. क्या करो? मंजन कर फेंक दे. मंजन कर फेंक दे. फेंक दे. ठीक है, ऐसे दोनों को साथ में फेंक दे. ओके, देन यू विल रिमेंबर. चलिए इसको भी लिख देते हैं. मंजन कर okay, मंजन कर फेंक दे. Then last line.
What does the second line mean?
Manjan means it is, you can say, toothbrush, but from village. You have those miswak कैसे होता है ना, तो उसको हिंदी में आप समझ लीजिए मंजन बोलते हैं. Okay, so manjan can means also like paste, but I don't know whether you have seen this or not. Yeah, have you seen there are some powders that old people they do brush with some kind of powder
Yeah.
rather than using paste? वही मंजन वही होता है. Got it?
Okay, but what does it mean? Kar fek de.
मंजन कर फेंक दे. मंजन करो और फेंक दो. ओके, क्या करो? मंजन फेंक दो. Like you will spit it out right after doing it.
Oh, like that. Okay, okay.
Okay. लेके बारात काना मजे से आया. That is one sentence. मंजन कर फेंक दे. Then the next one is कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भी. कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी. कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी. So you have to remember this, okay? लेके बारात काना मजे से आया. मंजन कर फेंक दे. कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी. कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी.
What does the last line mean?
Last name doesn't mean anything. कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't mean anything. You don't. What? अच्छा, इसमें you know what is the meaning of कोई?
Yeah.
निगाहें
Yeah.
सुंदरी ब्यूटीफुल.
Yeah.
प्यार भरी.
Yeah.
बस.
But they don't make sense together.
यही तो बात है ना, तभी तो याद रहेंगी चीजें. You will just see a cycle. याद रहेगा? Tell me if you just see a cycle, फातिमा.
Yeah.
याद रहेगा? साइकिल देख के याद रहेगा आपको कौन सा साइकिल था? You will not remember it for a very much long time ना. If you see an elephant, then you maybe remember it. for a bit more long time. But an elephant riding a cycle, how absurd is that? You will remember it for a very long time. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो लेके बारात कान्हा मजे से आया. ठीक है, बारात आया, सुबह सुबह बारात पहुंचा, and then they were brushing their teeth. They were brushing their teeth, and then you can say that what did the Kana see? Kana saw her bride, है ना? Then he said, कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी. Now it makes sense, Fatima. कहानी बना के. हाँ?
Yeah.
हाँ, now it makes sense. Very good. Okay. ठीक है, तो इसको याद कीजिएगा. अच्छा, यहाँ पे क्या है आपके पास? जो SRP है. What is happening to the SRP? SRP is increasing. So the lowest SRP is of what? Lithium, followed by potassium, barium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, strontium, aluminium, followed by manganese, zinc, chromium, iron, cadmium, cobalt, nickel, tin, lead, and after that we have our very old hydrogen. And hydrogen is what? Hydrogen has the E naught potential of how much? 0. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या होता है? 0 होता है. After that you have to remember one thing, chapa. What you have to remember? Chapa. CHAPA. क्या remember करना है? Chapa. What is C? C is your copper. What is H? H is your Hg. A is your Ag. P is for platinum. And again, then this A is for gold. ठीक है, Chapa. So all of these, they have positive SRP. Okay, all of these have positive SRP. चलिए, इसको याद करके रखिएगा. Then we will do the application. अब याद हो जाएगा ना? क्या हुआ बताइए तो? What is the story, Fatima? हाँ Fatima?
लेके बारात कान्हा मजे से आया, खाना
Then
मंजन कर फेंक दे, कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी.
and then Chapa. And then what?
Hydrogen.
हाँ, hydrogen will be 0, and after that Chapa.
Chapa.
सारा आपको याद हो जाएगा? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है. तो बस अब 2 दिन के लिए आपका जाप यही रहेगा. लेके बारात कान्हा मजे से आया, मंजन कर फेंक दे, कोई निगाहें सुंदरी प्यार भरी, हाइड्रोजन छापा. Hydrogen chapa. Okay, and after this we will do the application of electrochemical series, which are not very much. एक तो application देख ही लिया आपने, how to tell which is having more reducing power, less reducing power, and after that we will do some more application. उसके बाद जो हम लोग चले जाएंगे दूसरे phase में इस chapter के, that is conductivity, conductance, okay, electrolytes, those things we will be doing in the next class. Okay, so Nernst equation, electrochemical series